Hey everyone, it's Tamara here. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be making this cool piece of artwork using 3D Puffy Paint. Alright, let's get started. For this video, we're going to use some cups, some shaving cream, some glue, a cup of water, some paints, a paintbrush, and also a piece of paper. Alright, let's get started. For this next step, we're going to add some glue to each of our cups. Next, we're going to add our paints to our cups. And last but not least, we're going to add our shaving cream to our cups. Now that we've added all our ingredients to our cups, we're going to mix our cups until the paint and shaving cream and glue are all mixed together well. And now comes the fun part. It's time to paint. For my picture, I decided I was going to make a flower, but you can make whatever you'd like. Hearts, stars, moons, unicorns, trees, whatever you'd like. It's totally up to you. Isn't it really starting to look amazing? Look how it's all puffy on the paper. It's so cool. And voila, our masterpiece. Great job, everyone. And there you have it, our 3D Puffy Paint picture. Didn't it turn out amazing? I love that even after it's dry, you can still feel it. Alright, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more videos from the Boys and Girls Club. And I'll see you next time. Bye!